So hello guys, in this video we are going to solve this problem. So in this problem it is given that we have to find the limit of this thing. In the numerator we have 1 minus cot of x whole cube, and in the denominator we have 2 minus cot of x minus cot of x whole cube, and the limit is x tending to pi by 4. So you see, in the numerator we have this, and in the denominator we have this. So if you put x tending to pi by 4, it will become like 1 minus cot of pi by 4 is 1, so it is 1 cube, and 2 minus 1 cube, which is 0 by 0 form. So how you can solve this further? So we use factorization method. So here it is 1 minus cot of x whole cube. This one you can write as 1 cube. So it is a cube minus b cube type form. And if you open this, it will come like 1 minus cot x multiplied by 1 plus cot x plus cot of x whole square. So this is the numerator factorization. In the denominator, we have 2 minus cot of x whole cube. Let's assume cot of x is equal to y. So we can replace cot of x by y, and it will come like this. And if you put y is equal to 1 in this, you can see 2 minus 1 minus 1 cube will give us a 0. So we can see that 1 minus y is a factor of this thing. So this is cubic, and this is one linear. So if you multiply by this one quadratic, then this linear and this quadratic will give us this cubic. So first we note that 1 minus y is a factor. Then if we multiply by this quadratic, then it will give us this cubic. So now the goal is to find out the a, b and c value. So how we can find out the a, b and c value? We equate both side coefficient of different terms. So in the right hand side we have this and this. If you multiply, it will come like ay square plus by plus c minus ay cube minus by square minus cy. And in the left hand side we have this. So if you see the y cube coefficient, here it is minus a and here it is like minus 1. So you can equate both of these and you can get the a value as 1. If you see the y square coefficient, it is a minus b, which is 0 times y square in the left hand side. So a minus b is 0. So if a is 1, then b is also 1. And if you see the linear coefficient, it is b minus c, which is minus 1 here. So you know b value is 1, so you get c value as 2. So now you know the a, b and c value. So you can just put here and it will come like this. So 2 minus y cube we can write as 1 minus y multiplied by y square plus y plus 2. And we assume cot of x is equal to y. So if you replace y by cot of x again, it will come like this. So you can factorize this denominator in this way. So now you put the numerator in this form like 1 minus cot x multiplied by 1 plus cot x plus cot of x whole square, and the denominator by this form. And you can see this factor is common in both, so we can cancel this. And now you put x is equal to pi by 4. This will become like cot of pi by 4 is 1. So it is 1 plus 1 plus 1 square. And in the denominator, there is 2 plus 1 plus 1 square. 2 plus 1 plus 1 square, which after simplifying will give 3 by 4. So in this way we can solve this problem.